How to remove a project from DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve, and once it opens, you will see all the projects that you have. Next, find the project you want to delete in the list of your saved project. After locating your project, right-click on the project thumbnail or name, and from the drop-down menu, select Delete. You will get a confirmation pop-up asking if you are sure you want to delete the project permanently. Make sure you really want to remove it because once deleted, the project cannot be recovered. Click Delete to confirm, and the project will be removed from DaVinci Resolve. If you want to remove multiple projects, you can select them by holding the Ctrl key while clicking each project. Then right-click and choose Delete, or just press the Delete key on your keyboard. And that's it. Now you know how to remove a project from DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.